Hi guys, it's Angie with Itty Bitty Crafts, and I'm coming today to do a quick haul for Crafty Me Shop, and that's owned by Esme. And so this is her info, and you just go there and join her group, and she has a sale every Friday or Saturday, and she will pin a post there before her sale to let you know exactly what day it's at and time. And it's a live sale, so everything's post back to back on that day, and it's first come first serve, and most things do sell out, so you've got to be really quick. So this is a little haul. This is some bling, some trim, and my favorite trinket box. This one's an Easter one. So I haven't opened it yet, so it's fun to go through those with you guys because they're trinkets and it's a lot of fun. And so this is the first package. I'm sorry for the crinkling. I'll save this bag. I've been actually doing some paintings on these, and I thought they turned out really cool on these glassine bags. But anyways, I'll be saving that. So here's some of the bling that I got. And she sells vintage bling. I don't know. This is actually, this is a rhinestone. I think it's a glass rhinestone here. Isn't that beautiful? So it's pretty. Anyways, next one is, and these ones were gorgeous. I absolutely fell in love with these, and they're huge. Those are just amazing. Those are very pretty pearls and rhinestones on those. So there's those. I kind of went crazy on the bling with this sale. And I wish I would have gotten more of these because these sold out super quick. I mean, like, within less than 5 minutes, like 2 minutes, these were all gone. But she had these hearts. Aren't those gorgeous? Look at the sparkle. Yes, I wish I would have gotten more. So those. And then this little itty bitty pearl with the rhinestones on the side. There's two of them. So I thought those were really pretty. They kind of reminded me like of a little candy or something. So I got two of those. And these were really pretty. Everything that you see here did sell out, but she tries to find more, and she's, like I said, she's really different with what she sells every week. It's just a lot of fun in her place. And then I got this trim, and this is like a lavender, and these are like loopy flowers on some satin ribbon, and I'm not sure what I'll do with these. My main thing was maybe cutting them off and using them for centers, or stuff like that for flowers, or there's lots of possibilities with that trim. And then I fell in love with this trim. I thought it was very, very beautiful trim. So there's that. And then on to the fun part is a trinket box, and she always has her trinket box in like the cutest packaging. I mean, she just goes all out with that. So anyways, we'll open this. I just love the storage containers that she uses. Oh gosh, look at this, guys. Ooh, little crown. Look at the bunny. And it's like, I don't know what it is, but it's not plastic. It's beautiful. I love it, and it's pretty dense. It's wrapped up in this foil. How cute is that for Easter? And a little crown. And then a little applique. And then, let's see, what is this? This looks like, I think it's crushed, vintage crushed glass. How pretty is that? Look at the glass in there in the mirror. Actually, I think it's crushed mirror. That's so cool. That'll be neat to do something with. And then just beautiful appliques again. Look at those, you guys. It's very pretty. And this applique trim. So pretty. And then some cute little flowers. I love those colors. I am so ready for spring. I don't know about you guys, but it's just beginning the snow is just about to melt. But then when it does, we get like this huge snowstorm. So crossing my fingers. And you can tell these are vintage. Those are vintage. Those are so pretty. Look at those. And then this beautiful vintage ribbon with embroidered flowers on them. So pretty. Oh, and then some little clay flowers. How pretty are those? It's like a little trinket button butterfly. And some, oh, that's pretty. A flower, crocheted flower, or like an applique maybe. Cotton, it looks like cotton. That's very neat. Oh, cute. Look at the little rabbit, or the rabbit. The carrot for the rabbit. Oh, I love that. It's like a paper mache. It's very different. I love that. And then a charm, like a big Paris charm. And then a little vintage girl, ballerina cupcake topper. And another clay flower. And then, ooh, look at this, you guys. Look at that spoon. How neat is that? Oh, I love how it's all, you know, antiques and it has some oxidation in it. Very, very pretty. And then a very pretty, you know, vintage colored string of beads. Look how pretty those are. I love the blue in there. It's very, I love the, you know, I do like iridescent things, but I tend to lean on certain kind of iridescent colors, but I really like this because the iridescent is more like the blue popping out. It's very pretty. And some more dainty trim. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. It's very, very pretty. And she just stuffs this stuff, you know, full of little tiny things. I mean, you just have to dig around to make sure you get everything. Look at that beautiful little heart. And then another little flower applique. And then a beautiful little doily to stuff in there. And then I think that's it, you guys. But look at that. I mean, it was just jam-packed with beautiful things. I mean, I love digging through her trinket stuff because it's so different. It's just so fun to dig through. But anyway, so this was a fun sale. Her sales are very fun every week. Like I said, you just have to get in on them quick because they do go fast. She sells out on pretty much everything every week. But it's worth being in there, and it's worth giving her product a go. Again, it's Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. It's a group, and it's held every Friday or Saturday. And like I said, she'll always pin a post of the day and time that she's going to be live. And then after everything is said and done on the sale, she'll do live really quick for about 10 to 15 minutes and go through the product that was ordered or things that are still for sale, just so you can get a better look at them. Anyways, thank you, Esme, for having such really cool, fun stuff, and thank you for always keeping it very vintage and different and eclectic. I love everything that I receive, and it's been such a joy being part of your group. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day and a safe week. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.